Sandre para puri, angka bete kebendakat puri mana hija. Harus tidak disiman ya. Kita nanya berarti. Ini tuh tujuan semua. Kalau juga boleh pakai.
Tini mo kulai Champawar ADC constituency. Mo ke Jolsar ADC village. Asing Jolsar ADC village ni puila thangka aro tui crisis ni kaisa para bini nokul para aro bo ayeng northern part aro pray 20 families rok tongnai aro bo tui pipeline sogya aro jol jiban mission ni kaisa water angko supply aro install ngka ke aro ni executive engineer ni office ni koksa junior engineer tama bung bini dipusa bai kok khalakya gang sangka inquiry khlaga tan bage ayeng northern part ni je household tong bangar tangi ti sogya gaw pipeline je hetu order bu khaje kabo complete khlainai boraro house to house tui songnan bagine kok saka ke bo assurance khlaga je within 7 days bo abono solve khlainai ge tini mo visit khlaiman ka public rungni je gram amsayo sini parawa village rogo je problem tomoni basically abono inquiry khlainan bage tini sing oro sini tipramotani sini ambasa block ni leaders sok bai oro ang visit khlaka logibo tong sini ramlal morsom bo block president plus bo former zonal development ni chairman tai sini ambasa ni sub zonal ni joint chairman sini bishopati da borma raju chandra jama rihan sini joseph halam sunit netai sanjeev ke sanjeev riang kaji rai riang koro paran mung ke monasai para dabuk jekhane sung koksai tongo oro bahaino lama belai khano thanglai sun problem oro tai 25 family chango sinisrai khonai ro tai boro bazar hujar phaini mukitin thagitin tui phaini belai khano cost belai khano problem or root on bagai sini kaji rai riang khino chaka oro sung visit khlabi ka dabu kabono improve khan bagine ADC no sung appeal khane ang CM by cox line apart from that state government of boro ang letter seneje o kaji inko parabo immediately more route formation ba route improve kanen bagine dorkar obono ang state government by cox line tai in person ang letter bo sinai request khanai tini mo visit je ang assess khlaga je abun logibo kaisa je netaji subhash chandra abbas hostel no bosung visit khlaga aro 50 seated tongo class 3 থেকে class 8 পরিমানি আর hostel warden be malakya abu improve pak khane oboga tini sini mo visit khaimani main purpose kai area development ni point of view no singoro visit khaimani inke je jinis no state government khlaina nango ar state government sing in written form no sing request khainai letter sinai আর ADC যেটা মানো আপনার সঙ্গে ADC ও টাকা পায় আমবাই